So it is 5:17 and I have refilled this. I also still have not eaten, so I'm gonna go find food. See you then. So this is what I decided to eat. This is strawberry with a bit of Greek yogurt with a bit of cinnamon, and under the strawberries is crunchy chicken peanut butter. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Just a small little healthy thing. I'm gonna eat because I'm hungry. Back to being a bear. I have made very little progress on this, but I'll probably have it done soon. I'm eating this, which is oatmeal balls that I watched somebody make. They're freaking good. I'm gonna chill on the couch in a bit. I don't know if I'll get back on that yet, but we'll know. For now, I'm gonna take a break and relax and play Love&Deepspace for a bit. So, see you in a bit. Orange again. Yes, I'm still a bear. Still a bear. Almost fell. But doing this and playing Love&Deepspace at the same time. So, I'm only gonna do this for 15 minutes, so. Derp. Man, playing Love&Deepspace, freaking. Did that happen? I'm not gonna say what I know today. Also, I skipped ahead in the storyline. Kind of met Sylus. Back to the storyline because I couldn't handle it. I'm wearing earbuds so their voices are closer. But, yeah. Love&Deepspace. Very intense. For a shy person like me. Very intense game. I've been at a leisurely walk. Because... Oop. Hold on. Yeah. So, I'll see you in a bit. And here's the results for that. Like I said, it was a leisurely walk. I was playing, like I said, playing Love&Deepspace, so I didn't want to walk too fast.